me just show you what this little miss is doing. She usually eats outside. But we have some stuff out there that we don't want her into right now. And I can't sit and watch her the whole time when she's eating out there. But I will say she goes and gets her food. And the first one she took over there, she looked me in the face and was just like, is this okay, Mommy? Like, is this okay? And I said, it's okay, you can eat it in there. And so now she's running back and forth to get her food, taking one piece at a time over to her crate and eating it. And Jill's all, this is the most exercise she's ever gotten in a day. So I think we need to continue to put her food inside.
Put her food at the far corner of the basement.
Roger. Oh, you're slowing down, honey.
Yeah, she's tired.
Slowing down. Oh my goodness. Just gonna sit in her crate and eat it. Okay.
Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Hi! Well, the camera, can you say hi? Say hi.
And get a shot for her.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
There's only one baby boy in that picture.
There's only one baby boy in that picture. Yes,
What the heck?
that would be right. Okay, do it again, boss. Smile.
Winston! Winnie!
We are finally done with these buckets. We cleaned those buckets out. All the jars are just waiting to be processed, and so it takes about 15 minutes a piece in here. And when they're finished, we bring them in here and cover them with a towel. And yes, we spilt a lot of like sugar, vinegar, water, so that's why we're spraying it down so we don't get like ants and you know, bugs. And surprisingly, the bees and bugs didn't bother us too much because we kept it really clean as we went. The kids were a really big help.
Lids with the seal.
Yeah.
Rubber seal.
Yep, if you're gonna do it, they need to have a seal. I'll put a link in the description to like all of the things that we needed for this process and along with the cookbook recipe. So as soon as these, it'll take through the night for these to cool off, but you keep them underneath a towel so they don't cool off too fast and so the jars don't break. And I don't think we'd have a problem right now because the weather's really warm, but sometimes in the fall the evenings get really cold. So the top of our jars are really kind of gray. It's from the calcium in the water. Yeah, so I think, oh. Okay, I'm gonna leave them alone. And Joel said if you add a little bit of vinegar to the water, that was really hot, my fingertip kind of hurts, that kind of takes care of it, but it wipes away really easy, so I'm not too worried about it. It was really fun having Bree here, huh, Joel?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
The kids just love Winston. He just played in the grass, and the kids were a big help. Come on, I want, oh, is that everything? What's in the middle of the grass? Get that, get those pears and put them in the garbage. Do not put that on your hand. Do not put your socks on your hand. Okay, get those last 2 pears. I know I always talk about like, oh, when I have office space, I'm gonna be so glad for this, or oh, when I have room for everything, and you know, in my drawers, like everything I look forward to in the new house. But, and I know eventually we will love our new yard, but I'm really gonna miss it.
But this yard has been 10 years in the making.
Oh yeah, and it still isn't like, And it still isn't perfect, but
Always something to be done.
yeah. But it looks really beautiful.
She's cute, Clark.
You do good, Joel. It is kind of fun out here. We put the kids to bed. I'm trying to get it. Ah, there we go. Oh, there we go. I wanted to show you guys the sky up there. It looks really pretty as we sit out here. We're gonna eat our dinner out here. Bless you, lady.
Look at all the bugs on the ground.
We think she's not feeling good lately. We're wondering what the heck is going on.
She eats garbage. She eats bugs and worms.
Well, lady, you gotta learn. You can't do that. We had to add a little more water to these, and so we're waiting for them to reboil. And then I think we only have one more processing time to go, and then we're done for the night. But we've been doing this since 2 o'clock, and it's almost 8.
That's not too bad. 6 hours? I mean,
Literally
grapes,
6
I swear
hours
grapes
straight
is like morning to nighttime.
for a few days. Did we say how many quarts we did? No, pints. How many pints did we end up doing?
142 pints.
I had a skin treatment done. I don't know if that vlog has come out before or after this one yet, but because it's a week-long process to show what I had done. But I'm pretty sure that when we went to Sacco's to pick up the cucumbers, I asked for 2 full bushels, and I'm pretty sure he gave me 4, and I was like, I only need 2 bushels. He's like, each of these is a half bushel, and I'm pretty sure each was a full bushel because we did more than double what I was planning on. So that kind of, I'm like, we don't need that many jars of pickles, but we're just gonna hand some out. We're gonna hand some out.
I think it's fun.
We wrote a list of people we were gonna give some to. So, okay, this might be kind of weird. Tonight, Jill and I came in and we were putting away our clothes. So the kids sort, fold, and put the clothes in our bedroom. And then we end up re-folding and doing everything because, I mean, you know, they're young and that's how they do it. But I was telling Joel, today, Bree brought Winston in and let him take a nap right here. And so she was standing where you are and was, like putting him to bed. And she was like, how did you fit all the stuff that was in your dresser in this new one? Because this one is way smaller than your other one. And so I was like, okay. I was like, let's go through my drawers. And so I opened up each cupboard and I showed her exactly what was in each cupboard. And I like showed her in this drawer, and I like showed her every single thing that was in my drawers. And I don't know why, but it was so fun. It was like because she literally knows every single piece of item that I own and where it goes. And she told me that she was watching my stories of the giveaway winners. So I do giveaways all the time on my Instagram of like product that gets sent to me, or, you know, I like to share it. She told me she was watching one of the giveaways and she's like, it was so funny because one of the viewers reposted and was like, thank you for sending me this item. And she said like everything went through her brain. She's like, I know the ins and outs of everything that happens behind the scenes. So she's like, I could just picture you sending me a screenshot of their address, and then she's like, I would go package it up and then I would go send it. And she's like, so I knew that that's what you did on your own. And she's like, it just made me appreciate the post all that much more because she knew like everything that went into like getting the viewer the product. And it sounds so simple, but like we were laughing about it together because she just knew every single tiny thing that we did. And so
I love that.
That was really kind of fun.
I love that kind of thing.
Well, I just don't think anyone, even my sisters, obviously, like my sisters are my ride or dies, but they don't even know the ins and outs of my day the way Bree does. Because she essentially, I mean, I don't want to say lived here, because there's a lot of things she didn't see when she would go home, because I feel like the real parenting went on between like 5 and 8 at night when she wasn't here. But it was just really fun to reminisce with her, and I love having her here. I love having her in the vlogs. I do too. Well, so does she. She's like, I really love being your friend.
Well, she's the best friend.
Oh, she is. Bree is my best friend.
Little Winnie.
And Winnie! Yeah, who's my better friend, Winnie or Bree? I don't know. Okay.
Am I friends with Bree just so I can be around Winnie?
Maybe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.